This video demonstrates the use of a pathfinding bot in Second Life. It's the first of some other videos I'm going to make. Um, the What I'm going to show off here is the bot sort of running around in the world in a couple debug windows. So I'm just going to type in the command line program. This works on Windows and Linux. Um, and sort of explain what you are looking at as you're seeing it. So the uh, Cogbot window is popping up. He's logging into Second Life. There he is, that little white ghost. He doesn't have an appearance, so it's going to be hard to see what he's going to do. So I'm going to set an appearance. I'm going to type thread appearance, and that means that run the appearance creator in a background thread, and that's just so we can see which way he's pointing. He actually looks a lot better as a gaseous cloud, as you can see. Alright, so he's an Ephrail Ray and Ephrail Rajesh. There he is in Blender. Okay. So, my Second Life is pretty. I'm going to try something here. Okay. Just had to shut down a couple Windows apps. Okay, so we're going to tell the bot to start his thinking thread, which will make him kind of run around, and we're just going to chase him about and watch him not bump into walls, hopefully. While he's starting up, I'll explain what you're seeing here in the console. There's 6,000 objects in this world. They all have meshes. These meshes are being computed. That's what this number is. He's figuring out a height map over the world. This process, 1,000 primitives in about 10 seconds. So about, actually that's an overestimation. It takes about less than a minute to completely understand 6,000 objects in the world, and he only uses up about 2 megabytes of memory to sort of get their 3D meshes all set up and used. And I think he's already bumped into a wall. Is that what's going on? Oh, no, he now discovered the wall is there, and now he discovered the door, and he's walking out through it, so we'll chase him. Okay. Seems a little bit trivial, especially if you've watched game bots run around in the past. Oh, right there was my client doing bad prediction of where he was going to be. So maybe he didn't quite run into that wall. But anyway, what you're going to see here isn't any more amazing than watching a Quake bot run around and shoot people. But to look at, but what the code's doing in the background is, oh, my bad prediction on my client. Yep, see, he's not even there yet. I might re-record this or on the next video, make sure that I have it set up. But where I was going is the fact that it seems trivial that you see a computer simulated AI running around, but what he's doing is analyzing the real-time physics and deciding where to walk. And usually a game like Quake or Doom, the bot has a complete concept of the world before the program starts, and so he already knows all the things he can do. This bot does it real time. That's the big difference. And I lost the bot. Where is he? Okay, at least I've got this little radar up on the screen that lets me see where he is, so we'll get there. Might even restart the client here, where I'll keep on my toes and not lose him. It's a pretty complex world, but he's still moving, so it means he hasn't bumped into anything. But anyhow, while he's running around, I'm going to open up the Pathfinding debugger, because that's what I wanted to also show on this video, and then I'll find him and we'll chase him around and watch him not bump into things. Okay. Alright, what you're looking at here is the bot's internal rendering of the world, and it's on a ground plane from where his feet touch the ground to about 3 meters up. And what it looks for is a 2-meter high avatar available capsule at every XY coordinate along some ground plane. Okay, see the red line that just popped up there? That is the bot deciding that he's going to go into that building. So we're going to follow in there, actually. Then I'll come back and explain the debugger a little bit.